How to fix TaskPaper for Mac not uninstalling. Here's a script file you can use to uninstall TaskPaper on a Mac. 1. Open your preferred text editor, such as TextEdit or Sublime Text, and create a new file. 2. Copy and paste the following script into the file, #bin/bash. #uninstall TaskPaper rmrf/application/TaskPaper.app rmrf/library/application support /TaskPaper rmrf/library/caches/com/hotbaysoftware.taskpaper3 rmrf/library/preferences/com/hotbaysoftware.taskpaper3.list rmrf/library/saved application state/com/hotbaysoftware.taskpaper3.saved state. Echo TaskPaper has been uninstalled successfully. 3. Save the file with a .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_TaskPaper.sh. 4. Open terminal and navigate to the directory where the script file is saved. 5. Run the script by typing /uninstall_TaskPaper.sh in terminal and pressing enter. 6. Wait for the script to finish running. Once it's done, TaskPaper should be completely uninstalled from your Mac. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.